हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ एकेडमी। आज मैं एक CSIR नेट जून 2020 की एक प्रॉब्लम जो कैलकुलस ऑफ वेरिएशन के है जो हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और इसके पीछे जो लॉजिक होगा तो वो भी मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ जो आप लोगों को जून 2021 एग्ज़ाम में काम आएगा। Consider the functionals g of y is equal to integration 0 to pi y dash square minus ky square dx with boundary conditions y of 0 is equal to y of pi is equal to 0. Then it has a extremal unique extremal for all k belongs to real number. It has at most one extremal if root k is not an integer. It has infinitely many extremal if root k is an integer. It has unique extremal if root k is an integer. So it is given, it is of the form j of y integration 0 to pi y square minus k y square dx। तो इसका जो जनरल फॉर्म होता है वो है f of x y y dash। Also here integration range is 0 to pi. So our f of x y and y dash is it is given y dash square minus k y square, and we know the Euler equations gives what? Del f del y minus d upon dx del f del y dash is equal to 0. Then what is our del f del y is minus 2ky minus d upon dx 2y dash is equal to 0, right? So इसके बाद जो होगा y double dash plus ky is equal to 0. This is our differential equations of second order. So if we take now case 1, if we take k is equal to 0, then our y dash is equal to 0, then y is ax plus b, where a and b are arbitrary constant, and also it is given the boundary condition y of 0 and y of pi is equal to 0, right? So using these conditions y of 0 y of pi is equal to 0, using this we get what? 0 suman 0 plus b, that means b is equal to 0, and 0 into a into pi plus b means 0, so a is also 0, so that's we give yx is equal to 0. That is we get the trivial solution, okay, when k is equal to 0. Trivial solutions when case 1, and when case 2 is when k is negative, that means k is minus mu square, right? And where mu is greater than 0. Then our differential equation is y double dash mu square y is equal to 0. So our solution is yx a into e to the power mu x plus b into e to the power minus mu x, where a and b are arbitrary constant. Again we using the boundary conditions y of 0 is suman y of pi equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to a plus b, and 0 is equal to a into e to the power mu pi plus b into e to the power minus mu pi. So using these two relation we get a and b is equal to 0. Then also we get our extremal yx is again 0. So we get again trivial solution when k is negative. So this is also we get trivial solution when k is negative. And third case is case 3, when our k is mu square, when k is positive, right, and mu is greater than 0. Then our differential equation comes y double dash plus mu square y. Then auxiliary equation our what? M square plus mu square is equal to 0, and m is equal to plus minus I mu. So our yx is what? A into cos of mu x plus b into sin mu x. Again using the boundary conditions, y of 0 suman y of pi is equal to 0. So we get 0 into a. So we get a is equal to 0, and when we use this we get 0. Since our a is 0, so b into sin mu pi, right? So using this we get either b is equal to 0 or sin mu pi is equal to 0, right? When sin mu pi is equal to 0, then we get sin of n pi. So mu is equal to our n, where n is integer, right? N belongs to integer z. So then our extremal is what? Y of x is, since a is 0, so our extremal is b sin mu means n, sin nx. So this is our extremal in third case. So let's check the options. What says? First option says it has unique extremal for all k belongs to real number, right? Here it is given that for all. So if here we get unique solution, trivial solution means unique solution. Here also when k is negative, then we get trivial solutions. But when in our third case, we cannot get trivial solutions for b is arbitrary constant. So for different values of b we get different solution. That means we get infinitely many solutions in third case. So first option says it has unique solution for all k belongs to real number. So this option is false. If it is given for some, right, if it is given for some k belongs to real number, then this option is correct. But here it is for all k belongs to real number, that's why first option is false. Second option is it has at most one extremal if root k is not an integer. If root k is not an integer. So let's check in third case. Our k is mu square, right? Our k is mu square. So and mu means we get n. So k is n square. So our n is root k, and n belongs to z, integer. So k is also integer, right? So when k is integer we get infinitely many solutions. But it is when k is not integer, then we get b is equal to 0. So when b is 0, so we get trivial solution also. So then yx is 0. When b is 0 imply when root over k is not integer, right? Because either b is 0 or sin mu pi is equal to 0. When sin mu pi is 0, then we get root over k is integer. But in second option it says that when root over k is not an integer, then we get b is equal to 0. And when b is 0 and a is also 0, then we get yx is equal to 0. So we get trivial solution. So we get at most one solutions when root over k is not integer. So option B says that it has at most one extremal if root k is not in integer. Then option 2 is correct. Option 3 says that it has infinitely many extremal. Extremal means here y of x, right? So it has infinitely many extremal if root k is an integer. So in case 3 we see that if root k is an integer, then we get mu is equal to n, then our solution is b into sin nx. So we get infinitely many solutions. So in option 3 says that it has infinitely many extremal if root k is an integer. So that option also correct. So option 2 and 3 is correct. And option 4 says that it has unique extremal if root over k is an integer. So this option is false by option 3, because it is infinitely many solution, it cannot be unique extremal, right? So this option also is false. So correct option is option 2 and 3. and it is interesting to first option is correct if it is says for some k belongs to real number. So in case 1 and case 2 we see that for some values of k we get trivial solution, so we get unique solution. So then it has unique extremal when for some k belongs to real number, but it is given the for all. So for all means in case 3 we see that we cannot get unique extremal, right? So that's why option 1 is false. So आप लोगों को मेरे वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना एंड